As a state department for diaspora affairs, we strive to protect, engage and empower our diaspora. We always strive to make them feel at home, even away from home. This is through our embassies, through the home staff, that show opportunities for our Kenyan diaspora out there, as well as back, which leads back to our country. So we are
jobs for them in Europe by teaching them German language and also by making sure that all the jobs that they are working for here in Kenya. So by doing that, we create employment in areas of as a doctor, also nurses, electricians, all those areas that they need to be empowered with. Yes. We have like 20,000 jobs every year and more. So our target is in line with what our plan said, that we need to put employment 250,000 jobs to Europe and diaspora, all of it in general. 6. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. 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 Yes.
Yes. Yeah, the last bit about the diaspora, their legal and their tax issues. So what can we how they can set up, how they can pay their taxes, but also ensuring that they don't pay more than they ought to pay, just in as the government can collect it, just as we can do business.
They are crying about that taxation. What have you advised?
They are crying about the taxation, but there are ways because most of them are citizens, so they can get a tax, they can get a credit. There's nobody because of credit under our law, so it is possible for them to get it. And the US and those other countries, so they don't have it. So they don't get the tax to
But I think it's easier for us to deal with the situation here as opposed to there.
Yes.
That if they pay there, they allow them to bring the money here. Yes. And as the money is getting into the market, we find a way of taxing.
It's true, and you do. The law, the Kenyan law provides a credit. So if we have paid taxes in the US or wherever it is that they are, then the Kenyan law automatically gives them a credit for the tax that they have paid. So they don't have to pay tax again on this money. The problem is that yeah, it's just that they don't know that it's actually
But I think we need to make it a little bit that any money coming in,
yes,
we just leave it to come in.
Yes, but it's true.
And then, as we are using it, that's where we get it.
It's true, but because also, we also don't tax you on money that has been outside the country. We only tax you on the money. So even if they want to send it, there's no law that allows us to tax them. But what we can do also is, it's important for them to also know how the law works, so that they also know so scared. Because I think part of their thing is, yes.
I know. Thank you. Asante sana. Also, Merry Christmas.
Somebody akuja kuta nyumba.
Thank you very much. Very fine, thank you. Yes. Welcome very much, Honorable Your Excellency. So KICC, we actually supporting, we have over 30,000 of our diaspora customers across the world. And as we mark 127 years of existence, we are actually supporting them fully in partnership with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, together with the able assistance of the PS for Diaspora Affairs. So we wish to assure you of our total support and our total assistance, including supporting of all the Ministry of Foreign Affairs events that will be there worldwide. So you can count on our support, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Asante sana. Exactly. Yes. Exactly. Very just comparison of so it's really worth focusing. Yes. Even for yourself from a business perspective. Exactly. That's where the real customers are. So also reach out, try to get as many customers.
Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic. And gentlemen, His Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Welcome, Your Excellency.
To look for job opportunities for your sisters and brothers and cousins back home. Again, I want to say, because it's important, wherever you are, create a few opportunities.
Is a catalyst for great conversations on the areas of collaboration and Honorable Riggy Gachagua, Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya and the Truthful Man. There's an African saying that goes, if you want to go fast, go alone. For the immense support and all the ministries and departments and agencies that have come.
It is a pleasure addressing this gathering. In his own wisdom, he